Hey YouTube, I am super excited to move all these big pieces of tree out of the garage so I can have more space to do future projects. I am going to start with these large cookies, going to Anchorseal them, but first we need to get some air into these tires. The internet said to go to about 50. That looks good. Let's get moving. Got a few pieces moved and painted. The main reason why this is taking so long is because I don't know what to do here. It gets full sun throughout the day, so I looked into building a pergola or gazebo, but that would have taken so long. These pieces would be in the garage for years. So the solution I came up with is to set up one of these easy up pop-up canopies that will be here for a year or two. Let's get it set up. Got the canopy up. It is really nice to work in the shade. We went with this company Eurmax. They're supposed to be a little bit more durable than the Easy Ups. I flipped all the pieces over to paint the other side. I don't know if the Anchorseal is gonna do anything because it took me so long to get these out here. There's already significant cracks in them. And these random pieces I'm not going to paint because I don't have that much Anchorseal. Let's keep moving. Got these pieces moved back here. They are quite heavy. One of my buddies actually got his canopy blown away. Luckily we go camping and I have extra stakes. This is where I'm going to put down the canopy and we'll find a nice permanent home for all of them to dry. I am stacking the pieces like Tetris, or how I think would best fit the space. I want to put a cover over here and over here so the tree is not baking in the sun and dries too quickly. I'll leave this side, this north-facing side, open so we do get airflow so they adapt to the climate down here. Let's move the other pieces. got the rest of the big pieces moved back here from the garage. That one was surprisingly awkward and heavy, so it will stay there for now. I'm going to anchor seal all of these log pieces on both ends, and we will see how they dry. Going to now figure out how I want to orient all of those pieces in here. I thought we were pretty much done, but I was cleaning out the Canopy box and found these, which is great. We don't have any sand, but we do have this pile of rocks that my wife's trying to get rid of. They came with the house, so initially the rocks were all along here, but she wanted to plant succulents. So she dug up all the rocks, and for a while we didn't know what to do with it. So we're gonna put rocks in some bags. Going to give everybody the grand tour. The entryway should have plenty of space. There's a lot of room left for if I ever want to fell a tree. The rocks are installed and they are actually perfect because this end doesn't have a stake because it's on concrete. So those three are staked in, and combo that with all four corners getting rocks. Hopefully the canopy will not blow away. I need to clean a little bit. We are going to show everyone the garage. So a little field trip here. Our garden beds. The pile of rocks is still there. We made a small dent. Here are the succulents. The sun is hitting this side, so we can see a little bit better. My plant stands, and the garage is so clean. Beautiful. I can't wait to build the next thing in here. Got some scraps that I will move out back. A few pieces over here, but we got all the big pieces out. 29th video done.